Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Barclaycard Rewards login, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the official Barclaycard website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled login located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. If you are a new user, locate the register or create an account link. Click on this link to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal details. Provide your first name, last name, and email address in the designated fields. Next, create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the required field. After filling in the personal details, you may need to enter your Barclaycard number. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. You might also be asked to provide your date of birth for verification purposes. Follow the prompts to complete your registration details. Once all information is filled out, review it for correctness. If everything looks good, click the Submit or Register button. You may receive an email confirming your registration. Check your email inbox and look for a welcome message from Barclaycard. Follow any additional steps outlined in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the login page. Enter your email address and newly created password in the respective fields. Click on the login button to access your Barclaycard Rewards account. You are now successfully logged in to your Barclaycard Rewards account. Explore the features and benefits available to you as a registered user. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.